Hello, my name is Tegan.
And I'm Maddie. This week we're going to be doing a mandala project together. Mandala means circle, and in this time of separation, we wanted to bring you all in closer connection with the earth and with each other.
This will build on our awareness. In nature, we can search for patterns, shapes, colors, and textures that we can try to accentuate and bring out with our mandalas. We just got back from the woods, searching for treasures and other things for our indoor and outdoor mandala with our bark basket to carry it. We found feathers, nuts, different cool sticks, and cool stuff. And we're excited to go make those mandalas.
We've chosen this green circle wave of fronds, green symbolizing life and new growth.
We've cleared our area and we are preparing our materials here. We're going to use pine needles. There's a fun project because you can do it by yourself or with your family.
Here we've already begun to shape our mandala in a crescent wave form. We're going to do four branches for each one of our family, but you can find symbolisms that matter to you too. Here we are at the end of our project, and we created 4 ripples flowing out to symbolize energy, and we hope that some of that energy flows into you and inspires you to create your own nature mandala.
This is a cool project because for me it gives me the feeling that I'm giving back to nature in a way and honoring it. That's really cool.
Stay tuned for our next video on how to make an indoor